Mrs. Susan Watkins?
Yeah.
Just to confirm that, are you still living at 8 Chambers Avenue in Bentley?
Yeah.
I'm your pharmacist in charge today. My name is Rayleigh. This is your medication. Your doctor has prescribed you with Xenical 120 milligrams 84 capsule.
Yeah.
Has your doctors gone through with you what is this for?
Yeah, just a little bit, but I still can't remember how to use it actually. Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll explain to you what is Xenical and how does it works and some other issue.
Okay.
Yeah, so basically Xenical will work on your dietary fat rather than suppressing your appetite. So this is very useful for obese and overweight patients.
Yeah.
Your doctor has recommended that Xenical should be taken 1 capsule 3 times a day.
Yeah.
Means that you have to take 1 capsule during breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Okay.
It can be taken during the meal or up to 1 hour after the meal.
So, how about if I miss the dose?
Okay, if you forgot to take the Xenical, take it as soon as you remember. If this is still within 1 hour, 1 hour after your last meal, and then go back to taking it as normally. But if it's almost time for your next dose, skip the dose you missed and then take the next dose when you are supposed to. Just remember to not double up the dose. Yeah. Another thing is that taking more than that will not give you extra benefit.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Besides, it's better for you to take a daily multivitamin supplement which contains vitamin A, D, and E.
A, D, and E.
Yes.
Okay. So when should I take these all vitamins actually?
It should be taken at least 2 hours before or after the Xenical or during bedtime.
Okay.
Yeah. When you are taking Xenical, take the capsule whole with a glass of water and do not open the capsule or do not take any capsule that are damaged. Yeah. For the diet, Xenical will only work best if you are taking them together with a well-balanced diet and exercise. So your diet should be rich in fruits and vegetables. Try to avoid food containing fat between the meals, for example, chocolate and biscuits.
Oh no.
Yeah. Also, try not to replace the fat with large quantity of other foods, for example, sugar and alcohol. Yeah. Xenical will only work best if there is dietary fat in your body. So if you miss a dose or the meals do not contain fat, you shouldn't take Xenical.
Okay.
For Xenical to be effective, it should be taken every day. And then you will start to notice weight loss within 2 weeks and continue up to like 6 to 12 months.
Okay.
Yeah. Is there anything that you need me to explain more about?
One more thing, what is the possibility of side effect of using this medicine?
Okay. For the side effects, you may notice abdominal pain, increased wind in your stomach, and the needs to open bowels. But if you stick to the well-balanced diet and continue this treatment, you may not experience these symptoms. But if you are still feeling discomfort about these symptoms, tell your doctor or come back and see me. Yeah. One thing I may like you to take notice is that taking Xenical will cause change in your bowel habits.
Okay.
For example, fatty or oily stools. But don't worry, this is harmless. Yeah. Is there any other question?
No.
No?
Fine, yeah.
Okay, I printed you with the consumer medicine information, and this is the self-care card, so that you can go through with it if you are still having any other questions.
Yeah, sure.
Can I get you to sign this?
Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you very much.